Being overweight is unhealthy, and it is therefore vital to seek ways to reduce it. Today, there are various natural weight loss products in the market which work differently. Appetite suppressants are a good example. They are foods, supplements, or other methods that stop an individual from feeling hungry. The following are natural plants and herbs that can help you eat less by reducing food cravings, increasing feelings of fullness, and reducing appetite. 1. Fenugreek. This is an herb from the legume family. The part that is most commonly used parts of this plant is the seeds after they are dried and ground. It works by delaying the absorption of carbohydrates and fat, which translates to better control of blood sugar and decreased appetite. 2. Yerba Mate. This is a plant that grows naturally in South America and is famous for its energy-boosting properties. Studies performed in animals show that yerba mate helps to decrease food intake, appetite, and weight by increasing the level of glucagon-like leptin and peptide levels. Studies also show that when yerba mate is used with other ingredients, it can help reduce appetite and hunger. 3. Green tea extract. It is useful for weight loss because of the catechins and caffeine in it. Caffeine is well known to be a stimulant that suppresses appetite and increases fat burning. Catechins, especially epigallocatechin gallate, reduce fat and boost metabolism. 4. Ginger. This natural herb has been traditionally used by many cultures for its remarkable digestive properties. When grated or cut into pieces, it acts as a refreshment that energizes and improves digestion, making you less hungry. 5. Glucomannan. Increasing your intake of fiber is an excellent way to lose weight and control appetite. Glucomannan is a well-known soluble fiber that is useful for weight loss. It helps decrease food intake and reduce appetite. It also absorbs water and becomes a viscous gel that can bypass digestion and get to the colon unchanged. And if you're seriously looking for a fast and natural weight loss solution, then I recommend you to click the link in the description, healthfitnessplanet.com/weightloss. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.